featuring guys like Philip Manalang, JP Sarao in that team. So Robbie Darang left it short. Last 2 minutes of the game. But Bataan will cruise to their 10th victory against 15 losses. And the next game that they will have is against Quezon in September, as Carl Bringas will lay it up and in. That's also a good barometer for them in where they are now in terms of them competing against the best teams in the MPBL, Javi.
Very important that they understand kung nasa na talaga sila ngayon, dahil marami naman sa nakalaban nila the past few games have been teams really at the lower half of the team standings, except of course for Pampanga. So hindi mo talaga masasabi na ready na agad sila. They will be ready if they do pull out that upset against Quezon. That's certainly going to be a big confidence booster para sa kanila.
Mintis yung free throw doon ni Robbie Darang. Paranaque. Kala ko turnover, natapik. Someone from Bataan got a piece of that one. So looks like Bataan will fall short of 144 points. Although there's still some time. They're now at 129. But they've shown that they could be one of the best offensive teams here in the league with how well they've been scoring the last couple of games.
They are certainly no pushovers. That's why the other teams na nakalaban nila na nasa taas ng team standings, sinigurado talaga nila na dinepensa nila na maayos itong Bataan, because they know the amount of offensive talent they have on their team. Look at the guys from top to bottom of their roster. Even a lot of the guys who are not suited up in this game, very capable offensive players.
Darang at the stripe.
And offense seems to be something that really runs through their blood. I mean, you have a guy named Dari David,
yeah,
that has been a legend in that regard.
So nga prior to the pandemic, one of the top contenders itong Bataan lagi.
You're right. One of the model franchises here in the MPBL still, itong One Bataan Risers.
Even had the best record in the North back in Season 2. But it's a different era now, although they still remain a dangerous opponent. Dante Pagyo lulusot and giving the crowd ng Orion something to cheer about more. But this is gonna be it. Paranaque pretty much eliminated already. Will fall down to 1-22. While the One Bataan Risers redeeming themselves after that tough loss against the Pampanga Giant Lanterns as they obliterate itong Paranaque on their home floor, and they improved to 5-4 at home itong One Bataan Risers.
It used to be pretty unbeatable here, but as you said, this is now a different era, and the teams in the league have become stronger, which is why they themselves have also tried to beef up their own roster and their own coaching staff.